Want your presentations to look more professional and match your personal or company branding. AhaSlides allows you to customize themes, colors, backgrounds, fonts, and visual styles to create a unique presentation experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize AhaSlides themes in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account and open the presentation you want to customize. Theme settings are available directly within the presentation editor. Look for the theme or design options in the presentation editor. This section contains the available theme templates and customization tools. Browse the available themes and select one that matches the style of your presentation. Templates can provide a quick starting point for your design. Next, adjust colors, backgrounds, and visual elements. You can choose colors that match your brand or create a consistent visual style throughout the presentation. Upload your company logo, custom images, or branded graphics if needed. This helps create a more professional and recognizable presentation. Use preview mode to see how your presentation looks from the audience's perspective. Check that colors, backgrounds, and text remain easy to read. Once you're satisfied with the design, apply the theme to your presentation and review all slides for consistency. This helps maintain a polished appearance from beginning to end, and that's how to customize AhaSlides themes in 2026. By adjusting colors, backgrounds, branding, and visual styles, you can create presentations that look more professional and memorable. So experiment with different designs and create a presentation that stands out. Thanks for watching.